Today I'm going to make another new recipe. So these are all the ingredients. This is organic eggplants. They call it hair baigan. So I will use only 3 or 4 pieces. And then this is day or yogurt. They call it day. And onions and lentils. This is fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds. This is coriander seeds. So I make already this one. I make this one by Mortal Pisel, and salt, chili powder, coriander, turmeric powder. And this is garlics. I use also this one, minced garlics, but I will not use this one, only this one. And coriander leaves, this is also organic. And we have more lot of extra native garlics, as you can see. So now we have to start. Now first I have to wash this eggplants, and I'll slice it. I use only 3 vegan or eggplants, so this is too much. Now we have to put salt here. And then we put some water and leave this one for 5 minutes. Para hindi mag-discolor ba, hindi iitim. I-soak natin ng 5 minutes. So while waiting for this one, now we have to make this yogurt. I-whisk natin, whisk. Wala akong pang hindi ko mahanap. So ito na lang ang gamitin ko yung spoon. Pwede din fork yung tinidor, pero okay na ito. Basta to yung maging siya ba. Ayan, hindi buo-buo. Yung hindi curdle. So, okay na ito. Organic ito na yogurt. Extra ito before yesterday na may nagbigay. So, ito yung tinabi ko para dito sa recipe ko ngayon. Kasi need kasi ng yogurt itong eggplants. So, I already strain it. So, this is the water. You see, it's already black. So, now oil is already hot. Now, we have to half fry this bacon or eggplants. We'll put oil. After half fry this bacon or eggplants, I remove some oil here because I avoid oil because of my gastric and BP. So now I have to put now these onions. As you can see, the oil is not too much. Maybe 2 tablespoons only. Now we can put now also these lentils, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and coriander seeds. We have to fry also. So It will become more tasty. Now we can add now this turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. Now we can add some water or gravy. And then we have to cover it and wait for become boil this water. Now let's check. So water is already boiling. Now we have to add now this yogurt. If you don't have organic yogurt, then you can buy commercial. Now let's check. Now we can add now this half fry vegan or eggplants. So this is my version, vegan with yogurt. Gravy is enough. Now we'll taste if salt is enough. Salt is enough. Now we can add now this coriander leaves. Ayan. So this is the finished product of vegan or eggplants with dye. So this is the finished products of eggplants with yogurt curry toppings with coriander leaves. Let's eat lunch, everyone. Just I make hot this leftover rice last night. Now this is eggplants with yogurt curry toppings with coriander leaves. And I had this chicken curry last night, but I prefer to eat this one with rice. So kain tayo. Let's eat, everyone. Ayan, sarap. Bismillah, wala barakatillah. Sarap.